Hi boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how we can apply addition or subtraction strategies to word problems, especially word problems that might involve another strand in math like measurement, where we're looking at kilograms and grams. So we know that from our notes and our anchor charts in class that there are some words that tell us when to add in a word problem. So some of those words might be the word total, in all, sum, combined, altogether, or how much. Words that tell us to subtract include the word difference, how much more, how many left, or words that generally compare two things. So one object is heavier than another, how much heavier, or lighter than, or how many more. So how many more jelly beans does person A have than person B? And our problem today is right here. Ben went fishing and caught 2 fish. One fish weighs 655 grams, and the other fish weighs 486 grams. How much did both fish weigh in total? So if we use our cub strategy, we know that 655 grams is going to be an important number in our solution, and so is 486 grams. Just to let you know, I am using my mouse pad to move my pen, so I apologize for any inaccuracy. And we have here our sentence. And our sentence says, let me just get rid of that. Our question, is how much did both fish weigh in total? So there are our keywords, in total. And we know that in total is one of our words for adding. So let's take our two numbers and add them up. So we have 655 grams, and we're going to add that to 486 grams, and I'm going to make sure that my place values are all lined up. I don't want to be adding the wrong place values together. 486, and because of the word total, we are going to be adding these two numbers up. 5 plus 6 is going to be 11 ones, and I know that I can regroup and make a 10, so I have 10, 10 is 10, plus the 1 is the 11. I'm going to add my tens up. 1 plus 5 plus 8, so I know I can make 6 here, and 6 plus 8 is 14, or 14 tens. So then I can regroup when I have 14 tens, and I can make 100, there's my hundreds. 104 tens is 140, 14 tens, which we had. And finally, I'm going to add up my final column, 6 plus 4. I see right away that makes 10, plus the 1 is 11. So my answer is 1,141 grams. I'm just going to show you another strategy we learned in class. We can take 655, and if we want to add some mental math, I know that 655 is the same as 600 plus 50 plus 5. So I'm just expanding them, and I have 486. And same thing, if I take 486 and put it into its expanded form, I have 400 plus 80 plus 6. And now if I wanted to take just those values alone and add these values up, I would have 1,000 plus 130 plus 11. And that might be a little bit easier now to do with mental math. So I have 1,000 here plus 100 is going to make, right here, if I just take those two values, I can make 1,130 And then if I add that 11, or if I break that into 10 and 1, I can make 1,141 grams. Now, you know, boys and girls, that from our practice work this week, that 1,000 grams is equal to how many kilograms? How many kilograms is 1,000 grams? So we know that that answer is 1 kilogram. So when I look at this number here, 1,141, well, there is my number of kilograms. And similarly over here. So I can look at my answer and say now I have 1,141 grams, or 1 kilogram, and 141 grams. So I can say in the end, I can say that in total, then the fish weigh 1,141 grams, or 1 kilogram and 141 grams.